Munini wa Musumberi Gathi Gachagua na wakuli neke ndanzama ya Engineers Board of Kenya kupetanga engineer ala meliketi mathina kisomo kila chailite neke nda kuthesia kana neke nda kuthesia wea inene ya kwa Mombasa ibingwa omba na wa miongo tatu wa engineer Gachagua sia no ando ala masome wea mona mailite kwetekelua kuthukuma Angelina Museno kutweleza
Munini wa Musumberi Gathi Gachagua nukwetekana wingi wa mainjinia ala mathina utwekana mavalua ala mailite ni manangite ala mena utwekanda ya uthukumiwo kwa kuungamia miako kautana ila itina neviki ya kuomoka na kuwetembanga undu ula wawetekana silikali nivanite kuumina.
Engineering is a critical enabler to realize of SDGs Agenda 2063 of the African Union and Kenya's Vision 2030 as underpinned by the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. Better is our government plans of socio-economic transformation. As we engineer a new world, rapid urbanization in Kenya and Africa has been put to test, especially in collapsing of buildings, bridges, and other infrastructure. We lose people to collapsing buildings and substandard roads, mostly linked to unqualified or uncertified practitioners in the industry. This puts the reputation of the profession under question of a competency of members.
Nzia imwana ila munini wa Musumberi kuwetekana ni mavanite kuminaki ni kwisila mtaratala impya wake somo wa CBC na ula chelelo cha wone kukilia usweka na inengo kuya amanyiwa vala silikali kuongela ilovia siya kisomo ki nginya shilingi bilioni maana dhanza tumiongo ili na nyanya.
We are ready to work with the Engineers Board of Kenya and other relevant agencies in clamping down quacks. Through the right ministries, we invite you for an engagement on legal and policy frameworks. Besides monitoring and regulating education and training, eliminating intruders is one of the ways of restoring dignity to the engineering profession. On this note, I wish to declare the 30th Institution of Engineers of Kenya Annual International Convention and the 18th General Assembly of the World Council of Civil Engineers officially open.
Kavindani kumwane kivilo wa bodi ya engineer Rastas Mwongera nukuwetekana ni mekiite maulanyume mwanya kwa ili udhukumi wa engineer haikadhia vanene muvangu wa silikali ya Kenya kwanza kukwata mbau bodi.
Your Excellency, I wish to thank you for joining us for this convention. This is a testament of the high regard by the Kenya Kwanza government on engineers. His Excellency the President was with us in June for the Engineering Partnership Convention this year. We are also glad that over 20 engineers have been appointed in various high-level positions by His Excellency the President. The fruits of these appointments and the proper policies to support the professionalism will ensure the realization of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. Your Excellency, at the Engineers Board of Kenya, we believe we must focus on developing engineering capabilities. Engineers are the driving force behind national projects, and their expertise and ingenuity are instrumental in shaping our nation. We must deliberately invest in their training, skills development, and knowledge enhancement to ensure that they are equipped to focus the challenges of the 21st century. The policies will see enterprises that produce local product emerge to expand, creating jobs, wealth, and transform the lives of ordinary Kenyans.
Gachagua yati aniti na minsa ukuina malelu Kipchumba Murkomen na mainjinia kumadhiki vadhukanyo vala mautuwe komono yeva kauntini ya Mombasa. Gilivote ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Museno.